Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel in the series of C programming. In this lecture, we are diving into a crucial aspect of programming, that is what a compiler is and how the compilation process works in C. Whether you are just starting out or brushing up on the basics of C, this knowledge is essential for every C programmer. I have divided this lecture into two parts. This is the first part. So, without any delay, let's get started. Look at the first question. What is GCC? GCC, which stands for GNU Compiler Collection, is a compiler system which is used for compiling source program into executable program. As the name suggests, it is a compiler collection. It's not a single compiler. It supports several languages like C, C++, Fortran, Ada, and many more. This means we can write code in any of these languages and compile it using this GCC, as GCC includes the necessary compilers for each language. I hope now it's clear to you what actually GCC is. After understanding what GCC is, it's important to know what MinGW is. MinGW, which is a development environment for Windows that includes GCC and other tools which are used only for development purpose. MinGW stands for Minimalist GNU for Windows, so it is only available for the Windows operating system. MinGW is a development environment and it is used for creating native Windows applications. It provides a set of tools including the GCC. So GCC is actually the part of MinGW. Now a question arises, why do we need to install MinGW instead of GCC alone? Because MinGW gives you the facilities for developing any Windows application. GCC does not give you. For example, you may need to debug sometimes while developing any application on Windows. For debugging purposes, we need GDB, which stands for GNU Debugger. It's a software application. This means it's an exe file. Only GCC does not contain the GDB, but MinGW contains GDB. If you install MinGW, you will find the GDB. Okay, I will show you now. First of all, you need to go to the MinGW directory. So click on this file explorer, click on the C drive, go to the program files, go to the code blocks directory. Here you can see the MinGW directory. Now you need to click on this MinGW, then click on this Queen directory. Then in the search bar, you need to search the GDB. So type GDB. Now you can see the GDB executable file. Here is the file gdb.exe. And this file is responsible for debugging our C source program. There are many files in this MinGW directory that don't take part in the compilation process. GDB also don't take part. They are used for development purposes. And those files will not be available if you install GCC alone. I hope now it's clear to you why we install MinGW instead of GCC alone. And now You can also differentiate between the GCC and MinGW. Okay, before concluding this lecture, I want to tell you about this bin directory because GCC uses this directory to compile the C source program. At first, let me tell you why the name bin. We have not given this name. This name is set by default. Inside this bin folder, all files are binary files. Here you can see exe file and dll file. DLL stands for dynamic link library. These files are also binary files. Binary files are those files that are not understandable by humans. These files contain only binary numbers 0 and 1. Obviously, exe file contains only 0 and 1. So these files are binary files. In this bin folder, you will find all necessary software which is used during the compilation process. GCC also uses this include and leave directory during the compilation process. In the next video, I will describe the compilation process broadly. This is all for part 1. See you again in the next part. Thanks for watching.